Hello team, welcome to AI Lessons in Under 5 Minutes. Today's lesson is a game changer. I'm going to show you how to create a complete marketing system using nothing but free AI tools. Whether you're running a small business or managing a personal brand, this system will help you create professional marketing content without spending a dime on expensive tools or agencies. Let me show you exactly how to set this up step by step. First, let's create our core marketing framework using ChatGPT. Watch carefully. This will be the foundation of your entire system. Let's start with the prompt. Create a comprehensive marketing content framework for the next 30 days, including daily social media posts, weekly email newsletters, blog post topics, engagement strategies. Target audience, specify who your target audience is here. Brand voice, add your brand characteristics. Main goals, here you can put in your objectives. Let me use a real example for a local fitness studio. So here we have our prompt. It's our template with the specific information filled out for our company. And here we go. Watch as ChatGPT gives us a great framework. Now that we have our framework, let's create the actual content. Here's where most people waste time. Watch how we'll batch create everything efficiently. Step 1, social media content. Let's put in the prompt. For each content theme, create 5 educational posts, 3 engagement posts, 2 promotional posts including hook, main content, and calls to action. Step 2, email marketing. Now let's put in the prompt. Create a weekly newsletter template that includes engaging subject line, value-packed content, clear call to action, and a PS section. Now let's set up your content organization system. Step 1, create folders for your social media posts, your email newsletters, your blog content, and your graphic ideas. Step 2, set up a simple tracking system for a content calendar, performance metric, testing results, and audience feedback. And for quality control, here are your critical checkpoints. Before posting, just confirm your brand voice consistency, your message clarity, your call to action effectiveness, your grammar and spelling, and your image suggestions. And then for your weekly review, look at your engagement rate, your response patterns, your conversion tracking, and your content adjustment. So, your homework for this week. 1, create your content framework. 2, generate 1 week of social media content. And 3, set up your organizational system. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Want more guidance on how to set this up? Book a 15-minute one-on-one free consultation at investinyourself101.com.